So this is Stitch Braids Part 2. I'm using the same under-over motion while grabbing hair from beneath and combining it with the piece that's always in the middle. We're gonna actually just watch me do this braid all the way down, only because I explained it in the first video, and if you haven't seen it already, go ahead and just hit that one, and let's continue on. I just wanted to reinforce you guys to make sure you keep that nice firm grip while you're keeping this motion all the way down to the scalp so you can't braid anymore. And then of course finish off the braid. Make sure you braid all the way down to the tips, because you want to make sure if you are adding weave, you're able to boil it in the hot water without the ends of the hair being matted in 1 week and then your customer is complaining to you. So to skip that step, make sure you braid all the way down to the bottom. Only reason why I am using my rat tail comb is because right now I have nubs, just cut my nails, so I just wanted my parts to be fine and clear with no pieces of hair in the middle, because like I said again, you can easily tell with braids, like if you mess up or if you just leave a strand of hair, and you want to be neat. So I'm using my comb. If you guys have nails, honestly I prefer you use that rather than grabbing a comb. It does make the process, I guess, like maybe a little longer, just because I'm having to pick the comb up and down. So I will have another video on some type of braids like this, or maybe just a different style with some nails, and kind of show you guys that it doesn't make a difference. It just slows it down, maybe a teensy wimp, but let's keep watching. So we're getting to the end of the braid and I just want to show you guys the full style.